Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today we're going to be doing my BoxyCharm unboxing for November of 2022. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Like, I had to think for a second. So this is how it came boxed. I have already opened it and I'm wearing almost all the products on my face today because I wanted to try them out this time, doing something a little different. This is the card that came with it. It's Giving Giftable Glam is what it's called. And then on the back, it does say everything that's in the box. So it came with an Ofra Cosmetics signature palette. And this retails for $32. And this is what it looks like. I'm wearing the eyeshadows on my eyes today. I'll show you what exactly I'm wearing. I'm wearing this one underneath my brows, in the corner of my eyes, and on my Cupid's bow. And then I'm using this in the crease, this on the outer edge of the crease, and then this one underneath my lash line. And then I kind of darkened it a little bit with that one. But the shades are very pretty, as you can see. Just very pigmented. I love their shadows. I mean, look at this one. Beautiful. This is the one that I have on my eyes today. It's a little more light, but with the other colors like all together, it actually looks really, really pretty, as you can see. And then we have this one, which is what's on my bottom lash. And then this one right here. Right? Yes. Oh, wait, this one too. I missed this one, which is that brown. Look how pretty all those colors are. So super pigmented. They blended really well. They weren't chalky or anything. And I really do enjoy this palette, and I will be using this. So I'm just gonna keep it out of the box because I've already put that to use. Everything's out of the box this time. Can you believe that? This is the next thing that I received inside the palette, and I'm wearing it today. So it is the Natasha Denona Cheek Duo, and this retails for $42. This is absolutely stunning. The highlight is actually what I'm wearing on my cheeks right now, and then the blush, which is a cream blush, but I also dabbed it on my eyelids, so that's what it looks like. Super pretty. And then let me get this. So that's this, and that's what's on my cheeks right there. So it looks just really, really pretty. I look very glowy today, and it's all because of this. Now, I don't think that it's worth $42. I think you can buy a lot of different products that work just as good for way less, but it is still really pretty, and I will be using this, so that's why I'm keeping it out of the box, because I'm like, nope, I'm gonna be using all this stuff. The next thing that came in the box, and I'm actually wearing today, it's the only bronzer that I'm wearing, is this right here. It is LES Beauty, and it's a cream bronzer. It retails for $18, and this is really pretty. So what I do is I just grab my foundation brush, which I was using this right here, just a kabuki brush, and I just dab it in, and I just kind of go over my cheeks and blend it in. I put it underneath here, but this is the only bronzer that I'm using today. It actually has a plastic thing that I haven't taken off yet. Okay, I took it off. So this is what it looks like, though. It's really, really pretty. It's very pigmented, and I'm going to show you that right now. So let me go ahead and get a clean finger, which is my thumb. That's what it looks like, but it makes a really, I'm just gonna put it right there, a really, really good bronzer. So that's what I'm wearing on my face today. I love this, and this is worth $18. I would pay $18 for this, and I would probably repurchase because I love the way it looks. I've already wore all of this stuff twice already since I've gotten it. The next thing that was in the box was this Tarte in It is a Juicy Lip Balm. I'm actually wearing it on my lips right now. Where did I even put that? Okay, it's right here. This stuff feels so good on the lips. It's super hydrating and it tastes like, I don't know, like Bahamas. It has like almost like a coconutty, just really nice taste to it. So this is what it looks like, and it came in this color. And then you just want to, the bottom has this little button, and the color is Orchid, and you just press it down and it kind of goes up a little bit. It has like a coconutty. It kind of smells like a self tanner, like the Bahama ones, like, I don't know, like Sun Bum. It kind of smells like that. It tastes like that. It's so nice, and I love this thing, and I have been keeping it in my purse. I just took it out and put it back in the box just for this review, but I mean, you can't beat that. It looks so stinking pretty on the lips. And this retails for $21. I would probably repurchase that for $21 because I like it that much. The last thing that's in the box, and it's the only thing that I actually did not use out of the entire box, but it's because I already have a mascara open, is this Lawless The One and Done Long Wearing Volumizing Mascara. And this retails for $25, and the color is Nightlife. And that's what the brush looks like right there. It's one of the ones with the little ball at the end. I'm not going to open this just yet because I do have another mascara that I'm using, and I don't like opening multiple mascaras because once you open, they only have a short lifespan. So I try to use whatever I am currently using, and I don't use a lot of mascara now that I wear lash extensions, but I do wear it on my bottom lash, but it lasts a lot longer because I'm not using it for my lashes as well. But yeah, so let me go ahead and tally all this up, and I'll give you the total value of this month's box of the variation that I received. Okay, so the total value of the variation that I received was $138. So not bad. I think I spent like $27, got $138 worth of products. I think that's a pretty good deal. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.